We saved the client an $8,000 tax write-off. They almost lost an $8,000 tax write-off due to a tactical crossover in title. Here's a tactical tip for you guys. When you're working on a mortgage loan, make sure that your team, your attorney, your lender, your title people, all know your story. They know what your priorities are, what you need to have happen. In this case, we had an individual who had a tax deferred status basis on a property they were inheriting. But when they paid off the existing taxes and loan, it had to be done in the name of the trust. It could not be done in their own name. And so there are very few sources to do financing for trusts without a personal guarantee. We naturally have those sources, and we were in the process of funding. Documents were being drawn. The escrow officer at the end of the transaction was getting ready to set up the vesting in the name of the individual trust beneficiary rather than the name of the trust. The attorney was no longer in the conversation. We were the connector throughout the transaction, and we caught that error and brought it to the attention of the title company, the document drawers, and we brought the attorney back into the conversation to make sure that everything was done right at closing when it came to drawing the final deed of trust, promissory note, and closing instructions. Know who's on your team. Watch the details. Here's a tactical tip for you. Keep it in mind. All right, I'm Walter Brown at WB Lending Solutions. Give us a call. Let's brainstorm about your ideas. Bye-bye.